Hello guys, welcome back to another train review video. Today we are at Harlow Mill. Here we've got a 745 104 on a Great Wrangler service from London Liverpool Street to Stansted Airport. (745-104) on a Great Wrangler service from London Liverpool Street to Stansted Airport. There is 59-205, which is went from Hanwell to Harlow Mill. Here is 59-205. Doing a bit of shunting. Nice way for the driver there. Up 59-205 going from Hanwell to Harlow Mill. Here comes a Stansted Express 745. 745-109, nice way from the driver there. (745-109) on a Great Wrangler service from Stansted Airport to Liverpool Street. There's a plane taking off from Stansted up there, going somewhere. Here arrives a 720 on a Great Wrangler service from Bishop Stortford to London Liverpool Street. (720-586), nice stepper whistle there. (720-586) on a Great Wrangler service to London Liverpool Street. Here comes a double 720. (720-505) and 720-139 on a Great Wrangler service to Bishop Stortford from London Liverpool Street. Here comes a Stansted Express 745. There's a Wizz Air A320 up there. (745-103) on a Great Wrangler service from Stansted Airport to London Liverpool Street. Next stop, this one being Harlow Town. Here comes a double pair in 720s. (720-106) on a Great Wrangler service from Stansted Airport to London Liverpool Street. And here comes a Stansted Express 745-105, I think. 745 105 on a Great Wrangler service from London Liverpool Street to Stansted Airport. Peace.